Hey everyone, it's your name with Kalyan Digital. Data is king, but it's not just about having the data, it's about understanding what it's telling you. So many online businesses leave money on the table because they're not fully utilizing the power of analytics. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of e-commerce analytics. We'll cover the essential types of data you need to be tracking, the key metrics that will drive your decisions, and the best tools to help you get the job done. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with web analytics, the foundation of understanding your online store's performance. We're talking about tracking everything that happens on your website. Think of your website as a physical store. Web analytics is like having cameras in every aisle, tracking how many people enter your store, which aisles they visit, what they pick up and look at, and ultimately, how many people make it to the checkout. Now, one of the most popular and powerful tools for web analytics is Google Analytics. It's a free tool that gives you a ton of data about your website traffic. You can see where your visitors are coming from, what pages they're landing on, how long they're staying on each page, and so much more. But here's the key. It's not enough to just track these metrics. You need to understand what they mean for your business. For example, if you're seeing a high bounce rate on a particular product page, it could mean that the page is loading slowly, the product images aren't compelling, or the product description isn't clear. By analyzing this data, you can identify areas for improvement on your website. Maybe you need to optimize your checkout process, improve your website navigation, or create more engaging content to keep visitors on your site longer. Web analytics gives you the insights you need to optimize your website, improve the user experience, and ultimately drive more conversions. Don't be afraid to dive deep into the data and experiment with different changes. The more you analyze and optimize, the better your website will perform. Now let's talk about conversion rate optimization, or CRO. This is where the rubber meets the road in e-commerce. It's all about getting people to take that desired action on your website, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for your email list, or downloading a piece of content. Think of it this way. You've got all this traffic coming to your website, but it's like having a leaky bucket if they're not converting. CRO Analytics helps you plug those leaks and turn more of those visitors into paying customers. The first step is to identify your conversion funnel. This is the path that visitors take on your website from the moment they land on your site to the point of conversion. Once you understand the steps involved, you can start to analyze the data at each stage to see where people are dropping off. Are people abandoning their carts at the checkout page? Are they not clicking on your call to action buttons? CRO Analytics can help you pinpoint these friction points so you can address them. One of the most effective ways to improve your conversion rate is through A/B testing. This involves creating two versions of a web page with a single element changed, like the headline, the call to action button, or the product images. You then show each version to a random sample of visitors and track which one performs better in terms of conversions. The beauty of A/B testing is that it takes the guesswork out of optimization. You're not relying on gut feeling or intuition, you're making data-driven decisions based on real user behavior. By continuously analyzing your data and making incremental improvements, you can significantly boost your bottom line. Chapter 3. Now, let's shift our focus to customer analytics. This is where we dive deep into understanding who your customers are, what they want, and how they behave. Remember, the more you know about your customers, the better you can tailor your marketing messages, product offerings, and overall customer experience to their needs. One of the first things you want to understand is your customer demographics. This includes things like their age, gender, location, interests, and occupation. You can gather this data through customer surveys, website analytics, and even social media platforms, but demographics only tell part of the story. You also want to understand your customers' psychographics, their values, beliefs, attitudes, and lifestyles. This information can be a goldmine for crafting marketing messages that resonate with your target audience. Next, you want to analyze their purchase history. What products are they buying? How often are they buying? What's their average order value? This information can help you identify your most valuable customers and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. For example, you might segment your customers based on their purchase frequency and create targeted email campaigns offering exclusive discounts or early access to new products. Another important aspect of customer analytics is understanding customer lifetime value, or CLTV. This is the total amount of revenue you can expect to generate from a single customer over the entire relationship. By focusing on increasing CLTV, you're not just chasing one-time transactions, you're building long-term relationships with your customers. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about product analytics. This is all about understanding how your products are performing, which ones are resonating with your customers, and which ones might need some attention. The first thing you want to track is your product sales data. Which products are your best sellers? Which ones are lagging behind? This information can help you make informed decisions about inventory management, product development, and marketing spend. But it's not just about overall sales figures. You also want to look at product-level profitability. Are there certain products that are eating into your profits due to high shipping costs or manufacturing expenses? Understanding the profitability of each product allows you to optimize your pricing and potentially discontinue unprofitable items. Another crucial aspect of product analytics is understanding customer reviews and feedback. What are people saying about your products? Are they satisfied with the quality, features, and overall experience? Pay close attention to negative reviews, as they can provide valuable insights into areas where you need to improve. Maybe there's a recurring issue with a particular product feature, or maybe the product description isn't accurately reflecting the product itself. You can also use product analytics to identify cross-selling and upselling opportunities. For example, if you see that customers who buy a particular camera also tend to buy a specific lens, you can start recommending that lens to other customers who purchase the camera. Additionally, track your inventory levels closely. Running out of a popular product can lead to lost sales and frustrated customers. Chapter 5. Finally, let's talk about marketing analytics. This is where we measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns and ensure that you're getting a positive return on your investment, or ROI. One of the key metrics to track is your website traffic sources. Where is your traffic coming from? Is it organic search, social media, email marketing, or paid advertising? Understanding which channels are driving the most qualified traffic to your site allows you to focus your efforts where they matter most. Next, you want to track your conversion rates by channel. Which channels are driving the most conversions? This information can help you allocate your marketing budget more effectively and optimize your campaigns for maximum ROI. For example, if you're seeing a high conversion rate from email marketing, but a low conversion rate from social media, you might want to consider shifting some of your budget from social media to email marketing. Don't forget about email marketing analytics. Track your open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates for each email campaign. This data can help you segment your email list more effectively, craft more compelling subject lines, and optimize your email content for higher engagement. If you're running paid advertising campaigns, it's crucial to track your cost per click, or CPC, click-through rate, or CTR, and conversion rate for each campaign. This will help you identify which campaigns are performing well and which ones need to be adjusted. Social media analytics is another important piece of the puzzle. Track your followers, engagement rates, reach, and website traffic from each platform. So there you have it, a deep dive into the world of e-commerce analytics. By now, you should have a solid understanding of the key types of analytics, the metrics that matter most, and how to use this data to make informed decisions about your online business. Remember, the beauty of e-commerce analytics is that it gives you the power to make data-driven decisions. No more guessing games or relying on gut feelings. With the right data at your fingertips, you can optimize every aspect of your online store, from your website to your marketing campaigns to your product offerings. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your e-commerce business soar to new heights. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.